the fastest getting ready I know. She gets down. She don't play. Alright, I'm about to hop in the shower real quick so I can wash my hair because y'all, I have somewhere to be tonight. It's a Halloween mansion party. Y'all, I don't even remember the last time I dressed up for Halloween. This is very different for me, so we'll see in a few hours if I'm even actually gonna go. I'm about to show y'all my costume. My costume was just delivered, so I'm gonna have to wear this costume today, which is Sunday, and then also on Tuesday, because on Tuesday I have a concert to go to. Tuesday is actually Halloween. That's a little scary. A little nervous for that. Where is the costume? What is this? Whatever this is was returned, from I can tell. Okay, this is my little snake bracelet thingy. Where is the costume? We have a problem. So it says it was delivered in my mailbox. I hate when Amazon delivers stuff to my mailbox because one, nobody asked y'all to do that. And two, my mail place, they will literally return everything back to sender. If they can't fit it in your actual skinny ass mailbox and the parcel lockers on there are full, they will just straight up return it to sender. The mail people do not bring it to your door. So let's go downstairs and hope that the costume is in my mailbox, because if not, I'm in trouble. So who's down there? Miss Medusa. This is what she looks like. All right, here we are. My little headset. Got me a little fruit roll up. But I'm about to do this on express mode. Express mode. We just got our classic granny curlers. Okay. I'm gonna be using this Talia Wahid tight hold gel. And I have only a little bit of my Free the Roots. This one's completely empty. This is the French Lavender Hydrating Aloe Mist. So let me just show y'all my hair real quick and then I'm gonna get going. Damn, she's so long, I'm gonna walk away. Alright, look at my towel now. The hair dye be coming out when I wash it though. The thing that I do love about the curls, especially those rollers, is you can just reach all over and just grab a piece of hair and just go, go, go. Like, it don't gotta be in no certain pattern or nothing like that. Like, hey. I can't wait till you come over. I'm a sober soul. I'm also gonna add a little bit of this Jamaican black castor oil to each of the rows before I put on this Talia Wahid. All right, let's get it rocking. is currently 6:42 p.m. I just finished, so I'm about to blow dry the shit out of my hair. Okay, I got the little hooded thingy. I'm gonna put the little hood on. I don't got much time to talk. I gotta get busy. The party started at 8 o'clock, so obviously I'm gonna be late. Even for other factors, I'll be late. 10 minutes until the people that I've been waiting for coming from out of town get to my house. I'm gonna do my hair, makeup, and get dressed. Y'all about to see me get busy. Don't come to me looking for makeup advice. I ain't the one. What Medusa's eyebrows look like? Alright, that's enough. That's enough blow drying. Damn, that ain't though. I guess I'm just gonna do them maybe a little medievally. I know Medusa is so cliche, but listen, I don't do Halloween. I am not a Halloween girly. People be calling me Medusa sometimes when they see me out in public. When I be having my locks curly. I know Medusa wasn't even doing all this. So this is like my normal makeup routine right here. Except for I don't get my eyebrows as big. I don't do much more effort than that. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Alright, this is what I got from Walmart, y'all. It got this evergreen in here. So I'm gonna try to see if I can do what I seen some of the girls on TikTok doing. Where they had took like a little net and put it over their face and then patted the foundation on or whatever it was. This is an eyeshadow palette and I don't give a damn. I had to get these hair nets because this is all I seen. Oh, this is actually great. I feel like I shouldn't be rushing something like this. That's alright. Alright, cool. We're gonna go with this evergreen and roots. Let's go with the roots first, actually. Ooh, let's mix it. Alright, let me chill out a little bit. If I really be looking crazy. Like a lot messy. This Loc messy to the building. This ain't even what I'm supposed to be. I need to be looking in this mirror. That's where I need to be looking. I'm so stressed out. And I'm starting to get anxious because I don't even go out. This is doing a lot. Let's see what that look like. Look alright to me. It looked like the net wasn't even there. That's what I have to do. This is some eye stuff. Glitter. I hope this won't do too much. I bought some brushes somewhere, but time is not permitting me scrambling through that bag to get them. I haven't even tried the costume on. Like, I'm just hoping over here. Hoping and wishing at this point. This is way too green. Oh, lordy. Alright. And then I got this brown, too. I am shaking. This ain't no fun. No bottles, no nothing. Turn it up. This ain't no fun. I was supposed to have fun doing this. Are you shitting me? Walmart! I got a brown. It's like purple anyway. Alright, that's what I have to do for now. Let me start in the back since those are in first. I feel like I'm on Amazing Race. This is the fastest getting readier I know. She gets down. She don't play. My hair is so not dry. This is not even funny. Like, wow. Alright, I think that's all of them. Alright. Oh, I look fine. Let me go put this costume on. I ain't got time to admire. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's beautiful. Now my phone can't recognize me. You're doing too much. I don't have time for that. Just on my arm. Ooh. I'm a little too chunky. Alright, there you go. Ooh, adjustable. I knew Medusa was not wearing this. She could have wear her little jewel. Let me stop talking about what Medusa was doing. Okay, was she doing it like this though? Was she? I'm feeling a little bit more green because I'm feeling this. Ooh, I'm feeling the green, honey. Ooh, hold on, because y'all can't even see everything. Hold on. Okay, y'all, look at your girl. This lighting is